Managing diabetes or prediabetes involves making informed dietary choices that help regulate blood sugar levels, while still enjoying flavorful foods and beverages. Juicing, when done thoughtfully, can be an excellent addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. By carefully selecting low glycemic ingredients, juices can provide essential nutrients without causing sharp spikes in blood sugar. This guide delves into the key principles of creating diabetes-friendly juices, the importance of choosing the right fruits and vegetables, and practical tips for preparing delicious healthy drinks at home. Juices can be a beneficial component of a diabetic diet when prepared with an emphasis on low glycemic nutrient-dense ingredients. The glycemic index, or GI, measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a lower GI are digested more slowly, resulting in a gradual rise in glucose. For individuals managing diabetes, focusing on low GI ingredients helps maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Juicing can deliver a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, not all juices are suitable for diabetes. Store-bought juices are often high in added sugars and lack the fiber found in whole fruits and vegetables, which is crucial for slowing sugar absorption. By preparing juices at home, you can control the ingredients and ensure the drink aligns with your dietary needs. The cornerstone of diabetes-friendly juicing is selecting the right ingredients. Below are some of the best fruits and vegetables to include in your recipes. Low glycemic fruits. 1. Green apples. Rich in fiber and vitamin C, green apples add natural sweetness without significantly impacting blood sugar levels. 2. Pears. A great source of potassium and antioxidants, pears are a tasty and low GI fruit option. 3. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. High in antioxidants and low in sugar, berries are perfect for adding flavor and nutrients. 4. Citrus fruits including lemons, oranges, and grapefruits. Low in sugar and high in vitamin C, citrus fruits provide a refreshing tang to juices. Non-starchy vegetables. 1. Spinach and kale. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, these leafy greens are low in carbohydrates and high in antioxidants. 2. Cucumbers. Hydrating and low in calories, cucumbers add volume and a refreshing taste to juices. 3. Celery. A low-calorie, nutrient-dense vegetable that supports hydration and adds a mild flavor. 4. Carrots in moderation. Though slightly higher in natural sugars, carrots are rich in beta-carotene and can be included sparingly. Flavor enhancers. 1. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger supports digestion and adds a zesty kick. 2. Turmeric contains curcumin, which helps reduce inflammation and regulate blood sugar. 3. Herbs such as mint and parsley. Fresh herbs enhance flavor while providing additional health benefits. Green apple and kale juice. Ingredients: 1 green apple, 1 cup kale leaves, 1 cucumber, 1 small piece of ginger juice of half a lemon. Instructions: 1. Wash and chop all ingredients into smaller pieces. 2. Feed them into a juicer in the order listed, starting with kale and cucumber. 3. Serve immediately for maximum freshness and nutrient retention. Berry detox juice. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of raspberries, 1 cup of spinach, 1 celery stalk, and the juice of 1 orange. To make this juice, blend the ingredients with a small amount of water until smooth. Then strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth for a smoother juice. Lemon ginger green juice. For this refreshing juice, you'll need 1 cucumber, 1 celery stalk, 1 green apple, 1 small piece of ginger, and the juice of 1 lemon. To prepare, juice all ingredients beginning with the cucumber and celery. Add the lemon juice at the end and stir well before drinking. Benefits of diabetes-friendly juices. First, blood sugar regulation. The low GI ingredients in these juices help avoid spikes in blood glucose levels. Fiber-rich components like leafy greens and pears slow the absorption of sugar, promoting steady energy levels. Second, nutrient boost. Juices provide a concentrated source of essential vitamins and minerals. For example, vitamin C from citrus fruits supports the immune system, while vitamin K from kale contributes to bone health. Third, hydration and detoxification. Cucumber, celery, and citrus fruits help keep the body hydrated while supporting the natural detoxification processes. Lastly, anti-inflammatory properties. Ingredients like ginger and turmeric combat inflammation, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, as chronic inflammation can exacerbate complications. Practical tips for preparing diabetes-friendly juices. First, focus on balance. Use a ratio of 70% vegetables to 30% fruits to keep the sugar content low while maximizing flavor and nutrients. Second, avoid high-sugar ingredients. Steer clear of high GI fruits such as bananas, pineapples, and mangoes, which can cause blood sugar spikes. Third, incorporate fiber. If possible, include some pulp in your juice or pair it with a high-fiber meal to slow sugar absorption. Fourth, drink fresh. Consume juices immediately after preparation to retain their nutrients. If storing, use airtight containers and refrigerate for no more than 24 hours. Lastly, experiment with combinations. Try different vegetables, herbs, and spices to discover flavors you enjoy while adhering to your dietary goals. While juicing can be a valuable part of a diabetes-friendly diet, it should be complemented by other healthy lifestyle habits. First, balanced diet. Incorporate whole foods like lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains alongside juices to create a well-rounded meal plan. Second, regular exercise. Physical activity improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days. Third, hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support kidney function and overall health. Fourth, stress management. Practices like mindfulness, yoga, and meditation can reduce stress, which is known to impact blood sugar levels. Lastly, monitor blood sugar. Regularly check blood glucose levels to understand how different foods, including juices, affect your body. In conclusion, creating diabetes-friendly juices is a simple yet effective way to enhance your diet while managing blood sugar levels. By focusing on low glycemic ingredients, such as green apples, spinach, and cucumbers, and incorporating flavorful additions like ginger and lemon, you can enjoy refreshing beverages that support your health. Making these juices at home allows you to tailor recipes to your preferences and nutritional needs. With the right balance of fruits, vegetables, and herbs, you can create delicious drinks that are as beneficial for your health as they are satisfying to your taste buds. Take charge of your diabetes management journey by experimenting with these recipes and incorporating them into your routine. With thoughtful preparation and mindful ingredient selection, juicing can become a powerful tool for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and improving overall well-being.